in the context of quantum mechanics, you might have studied that God does not play dice with the universe. This was cited by Albert Einstein in the context of quantum mechanics. You know, if you have studied already quantum mechanics to some extent, so you know that in that case, the results or the theories are based on the theories of probabilities. I am talking about quantum mechanics. Okay. If you have studied Schrodinger's equation, if you have studied Copenhagen Interpretation, if you have studied Werner Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, if you have studied quantum entanglement, if you have studied superposition of states, then in all those cases, you must have found that found that the results are not deterministic. The outcomes of any experiment is not deterministic at all. Means results are indeterministic, not deterministic. Again, the concept of probability or the mathematics of probabilities are being used to analyze the phenomena occurred in the field of quantum mechanics or quantum physics. You know, the difference between the two is very small. The difference between quantum mechanics and quantum physics. Okay, that thing I am not going to discuss here in this video. So, my aim of making this video is to discuss about the Einstein's discomfort about the quantum mechanics. Means, actually his discomfort is about Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. His discomfort is about, not is about, actually was about. It is past. His discomfort was about Copenhagen interpretation. You know, Copenhagen interpretation means that is one interpretation made by Heisenberg, Werner Heisenberg and Niels Bohr in the city of Copenhagen, Denmark. And that interpretation is known as Copenhagen Interpretation. Okay. For that topic, I'll make another video, a separate video I'll make. Okay. Anyway, so Einstein, he has discovered many things: special theory of relativity, general theory of relativity, photoelectric effect. So many things were discovered by Einstein. And his findings were all deterministic in nature. But the findings of quantum mechanics by other scientists were not deterministic. Especially Niels Bohr. Einstein had a debate with Niels Bohr regarding this. Niels Bohr, he was using theory of probability to analyze the results of quantum mechanics. And Einstein was against this. And in the context of all these things, he said, God does not play dice with the universe. Though in various sources, you may get a slight change in this sentence. Okay. Different sources might give you different texts or this sentence. Anyway, the main thing is that since according to him, means according to Einstein, everything in the universe can be predicted by using mathematics, and outcomes won't depend upon probability. Okay? Means everything is deterministic. whether it is at subatomic level or whether it is for massive bodies like stars. Okay, so this was all about the Einstein saying, God does not play dice with the universe. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.